In this short video, I'm going to show you a new feature in Google Chrome. So I am going to search the word monarch. And when I search the word monarch, this is what appears on my screen. But let's say I want to search based on an image. I can come over here to this image of the monarch butterfly. And if I'm on a Mac or Windows machine, I'm going to right click on it. And if I'm on a Chromebook, I'm going to do a 2-finger tap. So right click or 2-finger tap and then go down. You're going to see something new. It's called Search Image with Google Lens. So now I can search the image with Google Lens right within Chrome. So once I click on that, this Google Lens search is going to appear on the right-hand side. So now I can move down and I can see various things that are associated with that picture. So maybe I'm looking about including something about pollinator gardens in my lesson or warning colors of the monarch butterfly. I'm going to see all these different things included in that search. So that's a quick and easy way that you can search with Google Lens.